Young flamingos hatch with grayish red plumage, but adults range from light pink to bright red. Why is this so? Let us find out. Make sure to watch this video till the end and comment to claim free PDF of the book Ikigai. Did you know what a group of flamingos is called? Flamboyants. Quite fitting for these vibrant birds, isn't it? Flamingos with their brilliant pink feathers, stilt-like legs, and S-shaped necks are truly a sight to behold. But there's more to these fascinating creatures than meets the eye. First on the list are their unique feeding habits. Flamingos are filter feeders, primarily dining on algae, small crustaceans, and diatoms. Their beaks, used upside down, are specifically designed to separate mud and silt from their food. Moving on to their vibrant colors. The bright pink or red feathers flamingos are not inherent. They come from carotenoid pigments in their diet. The healthier and more varied their food intake, the brighter their plumage. Now on to their social behavior. Flamingos are incredibly social birds. They live in large groups or colonies that can comprise thousands of individuals. This not only helps in predator protection but also increases the efficiency of finding food. When it comes to breeding, flamingos have some interesting practices. They perform synchronized dance-like movements or displays to attract mates and build mud-tower nests where they lay a single egg. Flamingos are also long-lived birds. They can live up to 30 years in wild and even longer in captivity. The oldest recorded flamingos lived to a ripe old age of 83. There are 6 species of flamingos found in various locations around the world, from the Caribbean and South American to African, the Middle East, and Europe. Flamingos have made their homes. Some species of flamingos can withstand extremely harsh conditions. They thrive in environments like high altitude salt flats of the Andes, hot volcanic lakes, and even frozen lakes during winter migration. Both male and female flamingos can produce a type of milk to feed their chicks. This crop milk, rich in fat and protein, is similar to the milk produced by pigeons. The milk produced by pigeons, flamingos have long been a part of culture and symbols, representing beauty and balance due to their unique shape and color. Lastly, flamingos are considered an umbrella species. Protecting them benefits many other species which share their habitat. Their health and population can often indicate the overall health of their environment. These traits not only make flamingos interesting but also highlight the importance of environmental conservation effort. Preserving the natural habitats that support such unique wildlife is vital, showcasing the interconnectedness of our world from the small crustacean to the most flamboyant flamingo. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also, give your precious feedback. The first comment will get the link to the PDF version of the book Ikigai. Thank you.